Good morning, Panthers. How's everyone doing this morning, Panthers? Panthers, it's been a while since I provided you with those videos. Today's video is going to be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting, Panthers, I have evolved when it comes to calculating these numbers. There's a certain method that I went back to the drawing board. I went back to the drawing board to just to understand the concept of numbers. What is happening? What makes these numbers tick? And also, you're going to see some primary example from my betting ticket, right? I'm also going to provide you with my betting tickets, whether I boomed or whether I doomed, right? Now, Pandas, let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to provide you with yesterday's recap. And remember, Pandas, we are going to have another group that is going to start on the 2nd of February 2025. For those that are interested, Pandas, you will lead me up, right? Now, let us start with lunchtime yesterday. Let us start with lunchtime yesterday. Pandas, uh, what you need to understand about numbers is that this is more like a puzzle. You just need to solve this puzzle, right? Firstly, we need to find the numbers that we have to use first. I'm just going to give it to you, you understand, because it is a procedure. It is a procedure for me to get these numbers. I'm just going to cut the video very, very short and give you those numbers. So there are certain throws. There are certain throws whereby we refer. In fact, there are two types of throws. There's a throw whereby we call the start throw. The start throw is whereby we are starting afresh, whereby we are looking for our numbers. And then there's a throw whereby we refer the throw as the follow-up throw. When we refer the throw as the follow-up throw, that means we've already found our numbers and then we need to follow up on our numbers. So in order for me to calculate what was yesterday's date, yesterday was the 21st, today is the 22nd, right? In order for me to calculate and predict the throw that is expected to start on the 21st, I need to solve this one first. I need to solve the throw that played on the 20 January 2025, right? Now, as I've highlighted before, I said we are going to take a shortcut. The numbers that I have to use for the throw that is going to play on the 21st, on lunchtime, we are going to solve lunchtime first, and then we are going to move on to tea time. Remember, Panthers, I'm going to restrict information as much as I can, right? Now, the numbers that we are going to use on this draw, it is 33 and 23, right? And also, on my calculations, it tells me that, you know what, JT, yes, here we have 23 and 33. But then on your calculations, the number that played first there, it is 33, and then it is followed by 23. So I'm not going to make a mistake whereby I'm going to start with 23. I'm just going to start with 33, and then it is going to be followed by what? It is also going to be followed by 23, right? Now let us start. Let us start. Let us start. And also there's a motion. There's a motion that is being presented there. Let me go on my Samsung Notes, right? Let me go on my Samsung Notes and let me erase here. Let me erase this information. Why is it not? Let me see if I can get another clean. Let me erase, yes. Let me erase this one, right? Remember, Panthers, what I've told you. I've told you that here, we're going to use what? We're going to use 33 and 23. We're going to use 33 and 23, right? And I'm also going to write here, right? We have 33 and then we have 23, right? These are our numbers that we have to use in order for what? We are going to use 33 and 23 to get what? To get the difference. So we are going to derive our formula. On the formula, it is whereby I'm going to restrict an information. I'm just going to write, right? Here, it is going to be 33 and x and x. Here's the formula, but then I've restricted the information, right? Plus y, right? 33 and x plus y. That is the formula, and I've restricted the what? I've restricted the information, right? So I'm going to go on my calculator. I'm just going to give you the difference. Once I have found the difference, equals to the difference. The difference, we are also going to add it to what? We are also going to add our difference to, before we get to here, let me do something like this. Let us go back with numbers, right? Let us go back to these numbers. We have 33 and 23. What you need to understand, Panthers, 33, it is being paired with what? With 21. My bad. 33, it is being paired with 21, and then the 21, it is on the third position. Can you see that? And then 23 is being paired with what? With 2. 33, it goes with 21, and then 23, it goes with 2. It is going forward. My bad, it is going backward. 33 with 21, and then 23 with 2, right? Now we're going to come back. Let me balance this one. Let me balance this one first, right? Remember what I've told you? I said to you, Pandas, 33, it is with 21. 33 is with 21, and then 23 is with 2, right? 23 is with 2 here. 33 is with 21, and then 23, it is with 2. Now let us derive our formula. We're going to say 33 and x plus y, right? It is going to equals to the difference. The difference, it is whereby we are now going to add the difference with 21. We are going to add the difference with what? With 21 once we have found our difference, right? Let me go on my calculator now. Remember, here on the formula, we are looking for the difference. Once we have found our difference, we are going to add that difference with what? With this 21. With this 21, right? We are going to add the difference with 21, right? Now let us go on our calculator here, right? We're going to say 33 and x again, and then we're going to add y. It gives me a difference of 15. It gives me a difference of 15. Remember, Panthers, what did I tell you? I said we are going to add the difference of 15 now with what? With 21. We say 15 plus 21, it gives us 36. 15 plus 21, it gives us 56. 15 and 21, it is giving us 36, right? Now we go back again and we derive the second one. Power off. We derive the second one, right? We're going to derive the second formula now. We're going to derive the second formula on 23 this time. On 23. We are going to say now 23 and x. 23 and x plus y plus y, right? We said this one of a difference, it equals to 15. It equals to 15, and then we said what? We said 15. We said 15 plus 21. 15 plus 21, it equals to what? It equals to 36. 15 plus 21, it equals to 26, right? Now we are now here, right? We are now here. We said 23 and x, whereby here, whenever we get the difference, we are now going to subtract. It is no longer going to be an addition. We are now going to subtract with what? With 2, right? Now let us go on our calculator. Let us go on our calculator. It equals to the difference. 23 and x plus y, it equals to the difference, right? Remember, Panthers, let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember what I've told you, Panthers. I said for those that are going to join the YouTube membership from level 2 above, I'm going to provide you with free predictions weekly. Free predictions weekly for those that will be joining my YouTube membership from level 2 and above. Right? Now, let us go now calculator. We have 23 and x plus y. All right? We're going to go now calculator. We're going to say 23 and x minus y. Minus y. My bad. Here I've said plus. It is subtract y. Minus y. It's not plus, it's minus y, right? 23 and x minus y, right? Let us see what is the difference that we are getting. We have a difference of 42. We have calculated the difference of 42, right? We are going to go here on DIF. We are going to subtract the DIF, and then we are going to note that it is 42, right? On 42, what we said, Panthers, we said we are going to subtract now. We are now going to subtract, right? 42 is going to subtract 2, right? 42 is going to subtract 2, right? We say 42 subtract 2, it equals to what? It equals to 40. It equals to 40. And then we will have predicted our numbers, which is 36 and 40. We will have predicted our numbers, which is 36. Let me not do it like this. It is 40, and then it is 36. Now let us go now. Let us go now result and check whether 36 and 40 played. Whether 36 and 40 it played. Now let us go on our results and check on the 21st, right? We have this result 23, 36, 39, 40, 42, 47, and a bonus poll of 44. We see that 36 and 40 it played, but then on my predictions, Panthers, I made a costly mistake. I only calculated what? I only calculated 35 and 40. These were my predictions for yesterday, right? I calculated 35 and 40, and I also banked on a single number, right? I banked on a single number. Here's 35 and 40. Here's 35 and 40. But then what had played was 36 and 40. And then here's my ticket, right? 35 and 40. But if what played was 36 and 40. I made a mistake somewhere. I've made a mistake somewhere. But of which it was very, very costly. A costly mistake. But then I can't really complain. I can't really complain because I have a single number of 40. And then I always banked high on single numbers, right? And also, Pandas, the rollover group. For those that wishes to subscribe for the rollover group, for rollover group, it is whereby we are only betting single numbers. I'm going to give you single numbers. Let's say we have calculated 35 and 40 for our today's single numbers. You will choose that option whereby you are going to bank on two numbers, or you are going to bank on only one of those numbers, and then you stake high. It is a weekly group that is a rollover, right? We have calculated 35 and 40, but then 35 and 40 did not play. What played was 36 and 40, right? Now let us move on to tea time. Let us move on to tea time, right? Let us move on to tea time. Remember, Pandas, let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. For lunchtime, it was 33 and 23, right? Let me, I will change it. I will change this one, right? Now, let us move on to tea time. On tea time, it was what? On tea time, it was 20 and 49. On tea time, it was 20 and 49. Now on 20 and 49, it was on 20, it was 26. On 20, it was 26. And then on 17, on 49, it was 17. Right? Let us go on our numbers and check. Let us go on our numbers and check. We have what? We have 20 that played. We have this result 3, 18, 3, 8, 13, 20, 26, 49, and 17. We have 20, we have 49, we have 26, and then also we have what? We have 17, right? Now, this one, 20 is with 26, and then 49 is with 17, right? Let us erase this one. Let us erase this one. We are now on tea time now. We are now on tea time. Right. On tea time, we are going to say 20 and x, 20 and y. My bet we are going to do the opposite now. 20 and y plus x, right, equals to the DIF, which is the difference. DIF, which is the difference, right? We are now going to go now calculator. We're going to say 20 and x. We're going to say 20 and x again minus x, right? My bad, this one is not plus, but then it's minus. It's not plus, but then it's minus, and then it gives us a difference of 41. It gives us a difference of 41. It gives us a difference of 41. So we're going to say 41 minus 26. 41 minus 26. 41 minus 26, I believe it is 15, right? 41 minus 26 is 15. Let us confirm. Let us confirm. 41 minus 26, it is, yes, it is indeed 15, right? Now we come back again. We come back for 49. We say 49 ny and y again plus x equals to the difference, equals to the difference, right? Now let us confirm what is the difference. We're going to say 49 and y plus x. 49 and y plus x. We found out we have a difference of 28. Can you all see that? We have a difference which is 28. We are going to come back and correct this one. The difference here is 28, right? We have a difference of 28. We're going to say 28 plus what? 28 plus 17. 28 plus 17. What is 28 plus 17? Let us go now, calculator. 28 plus 17 is 45, right? 28 plus 17, it gives us 45, right? We have calculated 15 and 45. We have calculated 15 and 45. Let us go and confirm whether we have 15 and 45 that played yesterday. Indeed, 15 and 45 played yesterday, right? Now, the best part about this, if you can get your calculations correctly, from lunchtime and tea time, you can make a train. You can make a train, something like this one. We were able to predict 36 and 40 on lunchtime, and also we were able to predict 15 and 45. The best part about these numbers, pandas, they will always play as bankers. They will always play as nothing but bankers. I've never seen these numbers playing as one of these numbers playing as a bonus. No, they will always play inside. That means this one, it is 61 odds. It is 61 odds here. We are working on 61 odds, right? Now, because we have a different betting side now. What I know on Hollywood, those that are on Hollywood, they can make this trade. They can bet lunch and tea time on the same ticket. They can bet lunch and tea time on the same ticket. So it multiplies your odds. It is going to be 61. I'm not sure, but then UK, what do we call? Hollywood is not that fair when it comes to odds. Yeah, I think it is 49 odds. Ne? I'm not sure whether it is including a bonus or not. But then bankers wise, we have Easy Bet. I'm not promoting Easy Bet here. Easy Bet, I think it is 61 odds, if I'm not mistaken, for only bankers. It is 61 multiplied by 61. That means you are operating on 3,721 odds. If you are betting lunchtime and tea time on the same ticket, right? Should your results on lunchtime, should your numbers on lunchtime lose, uh, and your numbers on tea time win, that means you are only going to get paid for those results that is on tea time. So you multiply your odds. Let's say you bank with your 25 rand. No, you banked with your 25 rand. It is 93k. You see, it is very, very interesting. It is very, very interesting. If you banked with your 50 rand, it is 186k. With 100 rand, it is 372 k. So I'm more than tempted to try this draw, more especially on EasyBet. It is available on EasyBet and Hollywood. The likes of Betway and what and GBet, it is not available. Whereby that option whereby you can bank on lunchtime and tea time on the same ticket. So I've seen it mostly on what? I've seen it mostly on EasyBet and on Hollywood, right? Nonetheless, Panthers, this is how I got to play. I made a costly mistake even on that tea time throw. I made a costly mistake of which I was able to calculate. Uh, 13 and 46, 13 and 46, but of which what played was 15:45, right? But then today is another day. We go back again. Thank you, Pandas. Let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 Pandas. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please, Pandas, let us grow the DRS channel. Remember, the DRS is for Punting Panthers. For those that have passion for numbers, this is the channel for you, Panthers. Let us continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, never mistake any of my videos as the current raw predictions, but then they are a recap. Thank you, Panthers, and God bless. For those that wishes to subscribe for the main group, for those that wishes to subscribe for the rollover group, Panthers, please text me. And also follow me on Facebook. Please follow me on Facebook, Zekotso30 on Facebook. And also for those that wishes to subscribe for any of my groups, Pandas, you can text me here, 062 335 1836. Thank you, Pandas. Good luck when it comes to today's draw. Remember to stake what you can afford to lose. Thank you, Pandas. God bless.